In the ever-evolving realm of handheld gaming, every so often, a device arrives that disrupts the norm. A console that isn't merely an upgrade or iteration, but a clear statement of where the industry could be headed. With the introduction of the ASUS ROG Ally 2, it seems that moment is upon us once again. After months of silence and speculation, ASUS has pulled back the curtain on its next move. No more leaks without confirmation, no more wishful thinking. We're finally getting real details, and the buzz surrounding this handheld is more than justified. From FCC certifications to insider confirmations and emerging visuals, what we know paints a clear picture. ASUS isn't just releasing a sequel. It's launching a two-pronged strategy to shake up the portable gaming sector. With two distinctly designed models aimed at different types of gamers, an introduction to the next chapter in handheld slits begin with the naming. No confusing code names, cryptic tags, or vague branding, just ROG Ally 2. It's a continuation of a name that already holds weight in the gaming community. Simple, familiar, and impactful. ASUS is clearly leveraging the strength of its first entry while doubling down on improvements that matter. But the name is just the surface. What lies underneath is far more compelling, unlike traditional product refreshes that play it safe. The ROG Ally 2 is launching with two models right out of the gate, a white version and a black version, each tailored for a specific audience. This approach signals something bold. ASUS is no longer just competing with other handheld makers. It's trying to own the narrative across all tiers of the market. The white model, balanced, efficient, affordable, the white version of the ROG Ally 2 is the more accessible of the two, but don't mistake accessibility for compromise. This variant is already catching eyes for its bold design changes and clever engineering decisions. The first thing you'll notice is the ergonomic overhaul. Gone is the slim, flat profile of the first generation. In its place are newly contoured grips, clearly built with comfort in mind. While some may view the bulkier shape as a trade-off, it's likely a strategic play to improve long-session usability. For marathon gamers, every curve, ridge, and angle matters, and ASUS is clearly betting that comfort is king. Aesthetically, the white model brings a sleek, futuristic design that feels purpose-built for gaming in 2025, drawing subtle inspiration from other portable giants while maintaining its own identity. The device walks the line between modern and aggressive. This is a console that's meant to be seen and used for hours at a time. Power. Under the hood, AMD Phoenix 2. At work, the performance backbone of the white Ally 2 is the AMD Phoenix 2 chip. This CPU-GPU combo represents a major leap in energy-conscious performance, offering for cores with a 20 West TDP thermal design power. In layman's terms, it's capable of pushing high-end gameplay while maintaining cool thermals and long battery life. For portable gaming, this is the holy grail. Enough power to handle today's demanding titles, but optimized enough to avoid the noisy fans and overheating issues that often plagued handhelds. From leaked documents and prototype testing, early impressions suggest that this chip may not only outperform its predecessor, but also run longer, quieter, more efficiently. Pricing strategy. Winning the mid-range market, perhaps the most strategic element of the white Ally 2, is its target price point. With early estimates placing it around $400, ASUS is aiming to make this device the go-to handheld for the mainstream gaming crowd. This pricing could be a game changer. It lands in the sweet spot, affordable enough for students, casual players, and families, but packed with enough punch to appeal to seasoned gamers who want a secondary device for travel or lounging on the couch. It's a direct shot across the bow at competitors like Valve's Steam Deck, and while the Steam Deck still holds a massive share of the market, ASUS may have found a niche with this blend of affordability, performance, and hardware polish. A mysterious button, clues about customization. One of the more curious discoveries on early hardware prototypes is a new, unmarked button on the side of the device. ASUS hasn't commented on its function yet, but its placement suggests it serves more than a basic purpose. Speculation ranges from performance modes switching to quick access game menus, or even streaming integration. Whatever it is, this small addition could turn into a defining feature, especially if ASUS builds in software tools that allow users to assign custom actions or toggle modes with a single press. Design philosophy. Innovation over imitation. What's refreshing about the ASUS white model isn't just what it does, it's what it represents. ASUS isn't playing it safe. This isn't a reskinned version of the first Ally with minor spec boosts. This is a new blueprint, both inside and out. The willingness to experiment with form factor, button layouts, and internal architecture points to a team that's thinking bigger than just iterative improvement. The broader implication is that ASUS understands handheld gaming is more than just performance metrics. It's about comfort, versatility, and personalization. That shift in mindset could define this generation of devices, optimized for the cloud gaming. IRA's cloud-based gaming platforms become more viable. Think Xbox cloud gaming, GeForce Now, and Steam Remote Play. The relevance of lightweight, efficient handhelds grows exponentially, and this is where the Ally 2's white model shines. With its strong wireless connectivity, thoughtful control layout, and battery-conscious chip, it's poised to be an ideal gateway to cloud libraries. For gamers who stream most of their content and want a device that can run both local titles and stream AAA blockbusters, this could be the perfect fit. Summer launch. Strategic timing. ASUS is expected to launch the ROG Ally 2 in early July 2025, a time strategically aligned with gaming expos, summer sales, and major hardware announcements. This timing is no accident. By landing in the heart of the gaming calendar, ASUS ensures maximum exposure, giving consumers a compelling reason to upgrade or enter the handheld space right when gaming excitement peaks. The summer window also positions ASUS ahead of any potential fall announcements from rivals, securing a strong head start in the race for 2025's gaming audience. Black model preview, a premium powerhouse. While the white version aims to balance performance and price, the black model is rumored to be the true flagship, loaded with cutting-edge specs designed for those who want desktop-grade gaming in a portable form, though full details are still emerging. Whispers suggest a more powerful AMD APU, possibly an upgraded Phoenix or new Ryzen variant, higher refresh display, potentially 120 Hz or more, expanded storage options, and faster SSD's dual-fan cooling system for sustained peak performance. Additional ports and advanced haptics. This version is clearly aimed at enthusiasts who want the best possible portable performance without compromise. ASUS handheld strategy. More than just specs. What makes ASUS's approach different in 2025 isn't just that it's putting out a stronger console, it's the philosophy behind the product. Instead of chasing raw performance alone, ASUS seems to be building experiences. That means prioritizing comfort and usability, supporting a wide spectrum of gamers from newcomers to veterans, building hardware around evolving habits, like streaming and cross-platform play, integrating software updates that improve performance. Over time, in essence, they're crafting a platform, not just a device. User experience and software environment, while hardware headlines grab attention, software execution is where many handhelds rise or fall. The original Ally benefited from ASUS's Armory Crate software, a customizable interface that let users switch performance profiles, manage game libraries, and update firmware. Expect the Ally to expand this functionality with even more user control, likely including tweakable thermal modes, on-device overlay systems, streamlined controller remapping, cloud save syncing, and crossplay support. Early rumors also suggest that ASUS is collaborating with game developers to optimize performance presets for popular titles. If true, that could result in a much smoother out-of-box experience than competing handhelds. A future-ready device in a changing market, the portable gaming landscape is evolving rapidly. Between mobile devices that can run emulators, dockable, hybrid consoles, and streaming sticks, handhelds today have to be more than just mini PCs. ASUS seems acutely aware of this. The Ally 2 isn't just trying to be the most powerful, it's trying to be the most versatile, adaptive, and user-friendly console in the space. By offering two distinct models, they're acknowledging that no one device fits all, and by focusing on both value and performance, ASUS is aiming to attract everyone from indie gamers to hardcore esports players.